I have 4. I got 4 boar, 4 deer, and 6 tails. That should be fine. That should be plenty.
Your boy has returned with food.
No, you need any deer next week?
Skip us some plates, guys. So I'm just waiting on y'all.
I think I'm good.
What?
Yeah.
Skip's just like violently shaking for a second. I haven't even left the port yet. It's still just here.
Bertha and FaZe, I'm gonna move downstairs.
No, that is unacceptable.
That's
no,
not, no,
seriously.
you're not allowed.
You're not allowed to. The bunk beds stay.
The bunk beds stay.
I was gonna make actual bunk beds, but
No,
alright.
No,
don't
that is
fuck
a
with our
bed.
bunk beds.
What are you talking about? That is not a bunk bed. Fuck
Those
you.
are our bunk beds. Those are our
It is a
fucking
bunk
beds.
bed. It's nice and it's intimate.
Yeah. I know. I'm on top.
Yeah, exactly. I'm on bottom, right where it should be.
Hey, yo, that's kind of kinky. Yo, I can cook a lot of food. I know we don't really need it, but in case somebody needs it.
Doors and turn the lights down low. Play that music soft and slow.
Oh, who's the
Maybe
gamer?
we
Alright,
don't
everybody
need
get in
no
here.
place to go.
Go kill a deer.
Why would you kill a poor innocent deer?
Oh, it ain't innocent.
It ain't innocent. There's a
I'm gonna
reason
knife
it's
it.
here.
You guys can't stop me.
That's what I did the first playthrough.
Did what?
And then I pivoted to swords.
Back inside real quick.
Hold
Get in
on.
here. No, you asshole. I can't repair that. Get over here, everybody. We're just breaking more shit.
Fuck it. Wait, shouldn't we just sleep? It's almost night.
Standing on it. I know you
No,
can't.
that's fine.
It's fine. I've been waiting on this boat for too long. I'm getting seasick.
Alright, I'm just gonna let my food burn, fuck it.
Yeah, honestly, more coal for the later ages.
Coal, right? Yeah.
Yeah, more coal. More coal. Alright, who's the last two? Last one on is getting left behind.
Wait!
No, no, no!
I just got here!
Yeah, now you're just gonna get out of here.
Shove off, do it, go, go, go! I'm kidding.
Alright. No,
You just beat the shit out of Xanthus.
no.
Nar jumped on the boat and did half of Xanthus' health. Or did
Wait, what? Really?
I ate something.
Oh, you ate something.
Yeah, Nar's badass.
Nar jumped
Nar
on
felt
Xanthus,
half
ate
my
something at the same time, so it looked like Nar bodied Xanthus to get onto the boat.
Alright, boys. Full steam ahead.
Don't forget about your orange slices.
This is full steam.
Yeah, I know.
Listen, it's the small
Everybody
boat.
Hold fast. Everybody hold on to the mast. Zane, hold on to the mast.
Wait, shit, it is night, so we might see a sea serpent. Hold on. Wait a
Hold on
minute.
to the mast, Zane.
Hold on.
It's the only way.
Let's just pray. Everybody pray.
This is beautiful.
Pray that we don't lose everything to the abyss.
Don't question it.
That's so many
Don't
people.
question it.
That's so many men.
Don't question the flame near the mast. It's fine.
God, I hate the ocean so much. If we get hit by a sea serpent, I'm literally disconnecting. I cannot handle that.
Who else is waving their shield at me?
The worst part is we're gonna be in the ocean forever because this thing's so slow.
Oh, we're hitting deep ocean now.
Sorry, John.
We're hitting deep ocean. We're out of the shallows, boys.
No, we're not in the ocean yet. We're still in the meadows. Roar.
No, look at the map. You're in the ocean, even though it
No,
says
we're
meadows.
we're still in the meadows. Still says we're in the meadows.
No, we're in ocean.
Top right.
We're in ocean. Oh, now we're in ocean.
There we go. Now we're in ocean.
Hey, Xanthus, what did that do?
Nothing.
Always tailwind when sailing. Hog, thank you. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
This ain't Sea of Thieves. Why you blowing into the wind?
Oh, we
Shit,
have a,
no!
we
Are
have a
you
serpent
fucking
in front of
kidding me?
Oh my god.
Sexy?
Guys, we'll be fine. It's fine. We're fine.
Are we
Everything
actually
is
though?
Fine.
I'm vibing, fam.
Everything is fine.
Oh no. Journey.
Dude, Journey! What?
Who's driving the fucking boat?
Journey was, but he's not anymore.
Guys, we got this. We have the damn. We have the DPS. We have the DPS. This is easy.
No. No. I'm dead. I'm literally gonna fucking die because I can't get on the boat. I can't get onto the fucking
guys,
boat.
fucking stop the boat.
Stop the fucking boat.
Trying.
That's what my problem was.
I'm at
I
5
literally-
HP.
my-
Holy shit.
Oh,
I can't see shit.
There you go, you're dead.
I need, guys,
Damage it!
We have the DPS. We have the DPS. I'm waiting for
Do
stamina.
we though? This thing is like mostly underwater right now.
It's almost.
No! It was so close!
Stab it!
God
Stab
damn
it!
it, no! Oh my god. Is that all our
And
stuff
all-
gone, or is it's
Yes.
water? Okay, that's
Yes,
good.
it's all gone.
No, it's floating.
Well, it does,
No.
yeah.
It's all gone. You can't. Oh wait. I
Yeah,
don't,
it's
I
floating.
don't know. It's. I think.
It
I think you
floats.
can recover it in the water.
gotta get
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
That's-
This
sucks.
is so close.
Why did we go at night?
It needed like 3 more hits, bro.
It needed
It needed
one more hit. You're
honestly,
Needed
fooling yourself.
one.
If we would have
got it!
stopped the
I
boat,
got it, boys! I'm gonna
it
get it!
never would have been a problem.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
honestly, we
get
lost
it!
out on DPS from Zane and I for like a large chunk because we just
I
got
was
locked off.
punching it, boys.
I had good bow, good arrow.
Yeah. Oh, I got a boat. All right, who's doing the salty run back? I'm getting to the shore right now.
We need another boat.
Literally can't.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Yeah, out of stamina. Actually. I can try to swim.
If we can get our shit, we're fucking good, but... It was so close. Wait, did you kill it, or...?
He did, yeah. He did.
I punched it to death, boys.
All right, I need 3 more scraps. 3 more leather scraps. Anybody have any?
Bro, no.
All right, first of all, let's go to
I
sleep.
think I put some in.
Yeah, those are the 3 I have, I think. All right, everybody sleep first, so that way that doesn't happen again. The second I saw that fucking asshole in front of us, I was like, yep, this is it.
I started shooting immediately.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did too.
I'm getting smoked.
Well, maybe don't put your bed there. Friendly suggestion. Yeah, you put your bed there, motherfucker. It's not our fault. Oh, what the fuck did I just come up into?
Oi, what the fuck going on with it?
What are you doing, Traveler?
What are you doing, Step Traveler? Oh my god, he's
Oh,
I'm eating his
Shit
ass.
Under the stairs, Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Did I? What happened? That was weird. I hit E and then it went nah. You don't hit E. Alright, time to go punch some boars.
I'm gonna vent the fire while y'all punch the boys.
No, you don't have to. It's fine. We haven't vented it at
The
all.
only,
It's fine.
literally the only problem is that you put your bed in it.
I want to put my bed up there, bruh.
That's a you problem. We
Alright,
we
boys.
were fine.
We need to
before
go
you
gather
came
scrounge
along and
about
put it in
3
there.
leather scraps, and we can go do the salty run back. Oh, that sucks. We were like halfway there too.
Yeah, we were really close. Yeah.
God, if we only had a boat that
actually
went
super
faster
close.
than 2 miles an hour, we would have been fine.
Do you have the wood to make a workbench over here?
I did, but then Traveler destroyed it before we fucking took off.
I know what you're talking about. Found an axe. Does that count?
It does.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your kind words of encouragement.
Mm.
They didn't even drop any tails. What is this?
Yo, mama didn't drop any tail for me.
Whoa.
We're all naked now.
Yeah.
Always were.
Happens when you lose everything. Also, all the wood's gone. I need a hammer.
Punch a tree.
You bastard. He's venting the fire.
Hammer, now give.
You can't vent the fire. Put your bed lower.
What it means special.
We had a smokehouse.
I don't wanna
That's where we made our burgers.
Go be special on your own.
Now, give
We
me your
built the
fucking hammer
house.
so I can make another boat.
Okay, can I
Also,
put my
Gnarwhal,
bed
by
down
the
at
way,
least?
that vent is right near your bed. I just want you to let me know that.
Mine?
There's so it could vent into the top floor.
Yeah, now there's a gap right near me.
Fine wood. Who's cheating?
Here,
Huh?
here.
Go punch
Thank you.
trees.
No, that's fine wood. That's from birch. We need fucking whatever it is.
He is
Yeah.
right.
We get fine
Bronze.
wood.
We need copper to get
Hey,
fine wood.
Yeah, no, we need
Oh.
bronze. Yeah.
I understand now.
I
Well, yeah,
got
copper is bronze and tin. Or bronze, yeah, whatever, the other way around.
Yeah,
Whatever
it's
it
tin
is,
and bronze, idiot.
Yeah.
The Ooga Booga.
No,
is the
bronze
Ooga
is
Booga.
copper and tin.
Yes. Nars
The Ooga
correct.
Booga is the Booga and the Ooga and the Ooga Booga Booga.
Alright, I got enough for a
Also
ship. Let's
true.
go. Wait, no, I need 3 more leather scraps. Hold on. Anybody have leather scraps?
Bro, I don't got shit.
Trying to find
One.
some. We're trying to find some.
God, that fucking stupid sea serpent.
To be fair, Journey, I'm disappointed. You said you were gonna disconnect. You didn't.
Yeah. Right? What fucking disappointing, dude.
So disappointing.
We need to go get our shit back.
We do. That's why I'm here.
That's why we're looking for boar.
My mouse is sticky right now and
Why
it's
the
disgusting.
fuck have I found 6 necks in the forest but 1
I
boar?
don't know either. I saw
Why
like
the fuck
3
they chillin'?
earlier.
Why
don't
they
know what
J
they're
chillin'?
doing.
Get back to. There's another. I hear you, you slimy son of a bitch. Where are you?
Yeah, I've been over here because there's a dark forest.
Oh, hello, Grayling.
I see you.
Whap.
Get him.
Whap.
Get him.
Whap. 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 Get fucking shit on.
I should go axe, but I'm not going.
Access a weapon?
Yeah. My axe skill is what? It's 15 right now.
Bro, I have 95 on everything.
See, you have loaded in with a maxed out character, which is okay.
Why?
But
We
also,
don't like
what
you.
the hell?
It's kind of cheeks.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Oh, Zane, I'll come help you.
Fuck! Get back here.
I am doing the searching
What?
for the boar.
These deer are fucking teleporting on my ass.
We need deer or boar? I thought we needed leather
Boar.
scraps.
I need
Yeah, we do.
boar.
That's why we say boar.
You get the fuck back here. You 1 health. 1 HP on the deer.
I fisted it.
Nice. Gotta get those fists up. Is anybody going fist? Somebody should go fist.
I just rocked.
Yeah, that would be fucking
Deer.
funny.
Thinking about doing that, but then I gotta wait till we get to the wolves to use
Nah,
anything
you're good. You're good. Just use fists whole time. It'll be fun.
That's not fair to me, bro.
You're the
I
one
mean, if
that's
you're
maxed out on stats.
maxed,
If
yeah.
anything is fair, that's that.
It worked.
I wish I had like the Minecraft experience collecting noise to play when the things died.
Come here,
I
boar.
bet that's a Valheim mod. 100%.
I got a leather scrap.
So, Journey, do you have everything for the raft? Have you already made it?
He needs leather scraps, I think, but nobody's found any.
I have one.
Journey? Are you going?
I built the workbench
Nice.
for the raft.
Nice.
Bertha?
Journey go soon? Yeah, what's up?
Ah!
Journey's
Wait,
dead.
who needs the leather scrap?
Yeah, drop it for me. I'll give him the Journey, or you're already going over there. Doesn't matter.
Boar.
I've got 2 on me right now.
I'm just grabbing the random plants and eating them to be able to sprint further.
I found a boar!
I hear a deer.
Oh my god, this boar is hurt by somebody.
Probably got hit earlier, and then it ran away.
Killed it. What? Huh? Am I lagging?
They've been doing that to me.
What happened?
He-
Dumbass deer keep teleporting.
And then he just died. Out of nowhere. Is Journey AFK?
Yeah, why?
Do you need scraps still?
Yeah, I just need 3 scraps.
I have 1.
I got 4.
Alright, get the fuck over here. Let's go get our stuff back,
I
man.
just
We've been
got them.
we've all been talking
I've
to
been
you.
All
fucking
been
asking
saying
for you, and you're
things.
quiet as shit.
I'm
Yeah, we have
sorry.
all been talking to you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I've just been.
All of us have been like, Journey? Journey? Is Journey AFK? I don't know. I don't know where Journey is.
Just looking in the distance, thinking about that stupid bitch ass sea serpent.
Oh, there's a boar
He's-
right next to you guys.
Let me harvest
We-
this
we have
fucking
a boar
right
raspberry.
here.
He's standing there. He's standing here with his legs in the water, pointing out to sea, and he's saying, "Out there, if we kill all our enemies out there, will we finally be free?" Oh my God, he's doing it! Oh wait, just stand there doing that.
Out there.
It's an Attack on Titan reference.
After going.
Alright. If anybody's not here, you get left behind.
Wait, please. I'm waiting.
Alright, goodbye. Goodbye.
Everyone to go-
Oh god, they've already said
Swim
so.
or stink.
Oh wait, we're dead wind.
I let my food burn last time they were leaving.
You got that ability up again?
No.
Damn it, we're dead.
It's got
Fuck,
like a
can somebody
20-minute
push us?
cooldown.
I'm
Can somebody
gonna-
push us from the side?
I'm gonna increase my swimming skill while we're just standing here.
Hey, literally
Yeah,
swim into the
got it.
front and like push it to the left, please.
Hey guys.
Literally push to the right side towards the left.
Oh God, I'm under. I'm under.
You try it now?
It won't let me on the.
There we go. That's working. You guys are just
It
weak.
literally won't let me on the ladder.
You gotta aim right at it.
Hey, hey, this is
Oh,
my
that
boat.
is
Get out of here,
so
Bertha.
weird.
This is my boat. Get out of here. Breaking this boat. Oh, someone else do that for like 1 more second. Go into the front right of the ship and then.
Yo, hold up. You're gonna kill stuff. You're gonna kill him. Okay,
He's
there you go.
fucking level 1.5 million. He's fine.
Yeah.
Everybody hold the mast. Make sure you're holding the mast.
Oh, I'm holding
Fucking
my
wind's
mast.
not gonna.
I'll
let us
hold your
on
mast.
perfect course, unfortunately.
Get over here and hold the mast.
Look, walk.
Look, whoa. Alright, we're gonna be a little bit. God damn it, the wind's moving and now it's fucking dead ahead of us. Are you kidding me?
Don't worry, I got this.
Okay, cool.
That was useful earlier.
I know. No, that's not the correct one. That's the one that makes us resistant to damage, right?
Right.
I think so.
Yeah.
I have bone mass.
Wait, what do you mean that would have been useful? That wouldn't have done anything for us.
Look, your gloss
Yeah,
is
also, it's also not
magic
boat damage.
Oh, what the?
What
Yeah,
the
see, that's
hell
what's
was
happening.
that?
That's what I said. That's like it was just sitting there and it just. and it
Hey
was-
guys, the Kraken's right there. Look, the Kraken's right there.
No, it's the barnacle.
You're an island stopper.
That's
There's
the-
one right there.
That's the Kraken, yeah.
That's not a kraken. That's just a big barnacle guy.
It's called a kraken.
Yeah, it's just a barnacle boy.
It is a
When we get a
kraken.
Head
pickaxe,
towards the
when we
dead
get a
body.
pickaxe, that's how you can get your spear.
Yeah, it's like I can get my chitin spear.
Oh, there's fish.
There's fish. All right, pull the boat over. We're fishing.
We don't have anything to fight them with.
You haven't found the merchant.
I have a club.
Does Zan says, do you have the wind thing?
In 4 minutes.
Oh man.
We might get there. Hey, I see our stuff. Oh, there's urchins? What the fuck? Ew, what the fuck? What are those?
What are you seeing?
The red
Fish?
stuff.
There, those are fish.
Hey.
Oh, I see the urchins now.
Yeah, the
With
urchins.
Pufferfish.
No, those are definitely
Those are
urchins.
there's
Urchins
pufferfish
don't
behind
float.
us. Urchins are at the bottom of the ocean.
Yeah, that's true, actually.
Well, they don't. The pufferfish aren't
Swimming
like.
across the top. What the, these are some
Yeah,
weird
that's
fish.
a pufferfish.
Yeah, you
These
gotta
are
be
Yeah,
able
fish
it's
that
definitely
have-
not a kraken. I was literally just on the Wikipedia.
The
page
red
for that.
ones are fish that have programmed heights and they don't adjust to the height of the waves going over them,
Ah.
so sometimes they swim directly out of the ocean.
I see.
Yeah,
That
there
makes
was
sense.
one
Depth of
behind
the
us that did
waves.
that. There was
Yeah.
one behind us that was doing that.
They have like
I see the
programmed
stuff. I see it.
in.
Guys, the horizon. I see your shit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You grab your stuff and just your
Yeah.
stuff.
God,
Otherwise,
imagine
people
by
are
the
gonna
time
be
we get there, it's
over-encumbered and it's
nighttime.
gonna
We
be
get
a
hit by
mess.
another fucking serpent.
Wait, I think I see
I-
land ho, land ho.
Hey, guys,
Yeah,
right
Right
news.
there.
Hey guys, bad news.
we gotta push the boat.
Yep.
Don't die.
Going, 'cause I can't
Nobody
keep
die.
enough. Here, I'll lower the sails. Or I'll raise the sails. I mean.
Anybody want to
Does
help
that
me?
have an axe?
You don't need to push the boat.
I'm
We're in
pushing the
dead
boat.
wind. We can't move.
You can move.
Yeah, you can move in dead wind, but I don't know if that. Maybe don't push the boat. Oh, huh?
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Yeah,
Y-
maybe
All right,
don't
we'll be
push the
turned
boat.
there eventually,
You
guys.
can paddle the boat forward.
We can? How?
What you're doing?
There's 4 different speeds. You've got paddling, and then lower sail, mid sail, full sail.
Oh, we're paddling. Okay, cool.
Yeah, see the rudder.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Mom.
I was wondering what that shaky broom was.
I'm gonna level up my jumping. Oh fuck!
Seriously, by the time we get there, it's gonna be
Yeah.
night again.
Yar.
We're gonna be attacked by another fucking sea serpent.
We'll be fine.
Oh
Just
shit!
gonna
Serpent.
leg it straight to the. For real?
No, he's fucking with you.
You bitch? For real, bitch?
Alright,
Oh, real bitch.
real men
BFF.
Real
Be
men
fucking for real.
Just let you know.
It's time to be fucking for real.
Yeah.
For real, friend.
Lads, I made a mistake.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
don't
I
move.
noticed.
You won't lose stamina, so just
Wait,
wait.
really? Oh shit! All right,
Yeah,
run
yeah,
over.
yeah.
I knew that was a mistake, even with max level.
I see myself.
Alright, I see my shit. I'm gonna stop in a second. By that I mean now.
Traveler, you go first.
Okay.
I can just grab it from here. Nice.
By the way,
you
I
and
have
me.
stamina boost.
Hey yo.
John, just be careful.
Pays to
That's
die
why
right
I
next to
gave
each
you
other.
a hike there.
Birthday and phase together forever.
All right. Everybody's getting dressed again.
Hold on, I'm saying my shit. Why do I have so many axes? I'm chucking some axes in the ocean.
Bro, get inland.
Yeah.
Why does he keep doing that?
Cause Stoic is
someone's
fucking
picking him.
kicking our mask. Our mast.
Alright, boys, let's go.
Bro. I swear to God.
We go like 5 feet and then we just sink again.
Swear to fuck.
Alright. Oh my god, we're gonna have to go back too. Oh my god.
That is
have
okay.
teleporters.
Get us,
You guys
get
just
us
want to make a
in.
new base over there so we don't have to go back?
We will
Yeah,
have to
you just
make
make a
some sort of
teleporter.
base over here.
20 more seconds,
well,
and
why?
I have my buff.
It's
Wait, oh yeah,
people-
shit, we have to, oh, because we can't go back, because by the time we want to go back, it's going to be nighttime. We can't go back, because we're going to get fucking
We can just
We'll be
make more
fine.
beds.
We'll be fine.
You're fine.
Journey is way too impatient in this game.
I am, I want to I don't mind copper.
Bro. Go do some coke and calm down, alright?
That's,
I know, right?
look,
Don't make me
nah.
don't make me stab you with this knife, okay? I'll do it.
This if
Mine's
it,
bigger.
I think this motherfucker needs Ritalin.
Hey Nar.
I don't know nothing about medicine, but
That's
let's give this
Gnar.
kid Ritalin at the
Yeah?
age of 5.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm upgraded. I'm upping my running ability.
Oh yeah, you're right. Hold on, I'll do that too. No.
We're all running into.
Someone hold to the mast so we can all just prop on each other. There we go.
I ran through him.
I made you face through him. That's
Things
great.
I do for my fellow man.
I ran through Xansus. Ayo.
Thank you, Xantus.
no.
Oh!
Wait, now I phased. Oh no, I just phased through Xantus.
You
What was
phased
that?
through.
There we go. Perfect.
Get it? Because that's my name.
Oh, I phased through the
found
mast.
Hey, yo, look at. There's a deer.
Oh,
There's a
that
deer.
right.
Yo, my bow is like about to break. That's a mistake.